Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply CapCut video effects only to the background or overlay in CapCut PC. So in here, I have these photos that I want to edit and I want to apply the CapCut effects only to the photos, let's say, or to the overlay in here. So because the photo is on the overlay, so what you need to do is first add the effects that you want to use. So I'm going to head to effects and select a video effects. So let's say I want to add this Blu-ray scanning effects to the photos in here, the overlay. So download it first and add it to the track like this. And as you guys can see here, the effects will be applied to all of the background, also the overlay. So here, what you need to do is select both overlay and also the effects like this, block it, and after that, right click on it and create a compound clip. So click on this create compound clip like this, and after that, the effects will only be applied to the overlay. See it? Okay, just like that. So that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button. Bye.